Think I'm a fool, well no doubt, how you been? If you here to fuck me for the cloud, then go in. I'm not strong enough to tell you no, I'm low on discipline. I'm a discipline, yep, like you is a sin. Stop hanging out with all my homies, yeah. Just turn a pussy cause I'm lonely. If you got something you like to show me, ways you need to hold me, then hold me. Cause my mirror don't know me, and every time we fuck you kill me slowly. Every time we fuck you kill me slowly. I'm drowning in your touch. This ain't love, it's lust. And you know I can't get enough. You control me right through all my lonely nights. Only when we're in between the sheets is when I use her. Cause I'm addicted to your touch and I'm a user. I'ma put that icing on your body like a jeweler. We ain't that close, so why am I afraid to lose her? Stop hanging out with all my homies, yeah. Just turn a pussy cause I'm lonely. You got some things you like to show me, ways you need to hold me, then hold me. Cause my mirror don't know me, and every time we fuck you kill me slowly.
Anybody want to make any bets that this is not supposed to be black right here?
Every time we fuck you kill me slowly. Every time we fuck you kill me slowly. Every time we fuck you kill me slowly.
Wow, this thing is nastier than I thought. It's got like caked on booger snot. I thought it would clean out really easy because I've had one of these before. Oh my god. Let's see. And look. Just runs so good. I don't know, what part is this? Part E, maybe? The update? All the suspension is done. Car drives perfect down the road now. Had Elliot come back. We changed out that front shock tower mount, and it drives like a new car down the road. What do you think?
It's going really good. Good.
Good enough? Just good? I know, some different scenery. So yeah, this update is pretty good. So just took the boy to tennis lessons. We drove the 996 all the way down, and it drove perfectly. I didn't film too much with the kid in the car because he just wants me to tell you to look at his YouTube channel. But no, the car drove great. So yeah, we drove down to Honolulu. That's about 25 miles from my house. And I'm super excited I got to drive this car, so that's part of it. And the weird thing about it now, so swapped out that strut tower. The other one wasn't loose or damaged, and that fixed it. So it drives great, 60, 70 miles an hour on the freeway, over bumps, nothing. Actually, the steering feedback is equivalent to the 991 or the 997, just solid. But that's what you'd expect with all new everything for the front end and new tires. Now the brakes, I think it is the booster, because the faster you're going, the better the brake feel is. Like when you're going 55, 60 miles an hour, 2,500 RPM, and you hit the brakes, it's got good feel. When you're going like 20 miles an hour and it's at 800, 900 RPM, you know, like idle, and you hit the brakes, it's got really poor feedback. So I'm pretty sure the booster is leaking, and with luck, that'll be my vacuum leak, because I already changed out the gas cap and that didn't fix it. So I washed it today. It needs a really good polish again because it's been sitting outside. I am going to get it detailed, and that's kind of it. So yeah, I don't know, but the kid likes the car. The car runs like it should now, and I've almost driven it enough to make a really good comparison between a 996, 997, and 991. But the car runs so good with the suspension all new that I can appreciate when some people really like these cars. Top down in the 99. I know we should almost like drive through Waikiki, but you're not the best co-pilot for going to Waikiki.
We just got out of tennis. and we're filming again. We filmed 30 minutes ago.
I'm excited that the car runs good. Is that okay? No? And that's what you get. You do a good job washing the car. You go driving around in it. Then you get tired. And you're like, it'll be fine. And it rains. So, whoops. Oh well. It needs another wash anyway. But that's what you get. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like, comment, complain, subscribe. Till next time.